No electricity down the end of your garden? That's not a problem with the Beam Solar Shed Light. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Beam Solar Shed Light. Let's get into it. There are so many places in your garden that will not have access to electricity. The most sustainable way to keep your garden lit without having to hire an electrician or pay the energy bills is to use solar lighting. The Beam Solar Shed Light has been crafted specifically for these scenarios. Let's open the box and find out how to install them. So inside the box we have the instructions, the screws, the adhesive pads, the solar panel, and of course we have our light. This light is 22 centimeters wide and 6.5 centimeters tall and has 170 centimeters worth of cable between the light and the panel. To install this light, you'll need to mount the solar panel to the roof or wall of the area you're trying to light up. You'll need to use the included screws to mount the solar panel. You'll then need to plug the solar panel into the light so it can use the energy from the sun to charge itself. Make sure the solar panel isn't obstructed with any shadows or objects, as this will stop the solar panel from charging effectively. To attach the light to a wall or a surface, you're going to need to use the adhesive pads which were included. Unlike most of our solar lights, you can turn this one on in the day by pulling the cord like so. And then the light turns on. This light is extremely durable and the rechargeable battery should last between 3 to 4 years. If your battery dies, there's no need to purchase a new light. All you need to do is purchase a new battery and you're good to go. The Beam Solar Shed Light can give up to 9 hours of illumination on a full charge and emits 50 lumens of warm white light. This light is perfect for lighting sheds, workshops or stables. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It makes all the difference. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.